Elulu.
On top, on top.
We are laying 27.5%. Yes,
That's one. Because that's the new. So we used to do 150.
Yes.
They just said they did 200.
Yes, it's 200.
This 200, now even if you do 150 for us and spread it further, we will have loved that. I'm telling you. Where's the Jimo?
I'm expecting he just called.
Are they doing current?
Yes. This is the one in charge of the asphalt and the pavement.
Okay.
Yes.
That's what I'm looking at. 150 will cover more.
150 we definitely cover more. But one thing with our job, we work what is there in the design.
Based on
So if I call it now, to give me exactly.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah, but by medicine, being you an engineer, sir, you know it's more than 20 years. This way. Let me see. This way.
I think guys want to show that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's where you start.
Yes, sir.
And then we go to Abuja, harass them. You know this now. You can imagine going for the entire stretch of the town.
Far better. where we have a very good material. Aside from the one we used here at the other side, you can see how we are having a challenge with them.
Yes.
So we have decided to use find another borrow pit that will be strong enough with a good lateral. Yesterday, I think I was sent a manager. I don't know if they discussed because our excavator is on the way coming now.
Somebody was meant to follow him to the borrow pit.
Well done, well done.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
but young.
Actually, we show your maps or something.
You can see the candidates.
The white lion. What is it? What? Hello. Wọ́n ẹ wá yín ẹ kó lè pọn náà. Bọ́lá fẹ́. Ọdún ọdún. Àmùtọ́ tí àwọn àmú wọn. Àmùtọ́ tí àmú ẹyọ kan kú ẹ̀.
Your effort and putting back our road.
Good morning, sir.
Like Kabiyesi Elulu of Mopa, Royal Majesty, Ọba Muyiwa-Ibe, Ọba Dr. Muyiwa-Ibe, said that people of Mopa are looking forward to a road that will last them better. We've had companies that have come here at different times to build roads, but we just find out that what you are giving us much more, and we believe in that than what it is. As such, will you just briefly just tell us about, you know, the work you are doing in terms of the quality of the stone base, asphalt you are bringing, and the rest of that stuff? My names are Albert Elulu. I'm the national president of Mopa Welfare Society. is Femi Ojo, he is the National Vice President, and this Elder Femi Ajimba, the National Secretary. Yeah. You're welcome. Thank you.
And my name is Engineer Emmanuel Elulu. I am the site engineer. And this is our earth movie supervisor, and this is our pavement supervisor. He is in person of Engineer Ahmed Owecho, and this is Engineer Samuel Wada from Kogi State. And this
my brother from Igala.
and this particular person is from
Benin State. So that's great.
And these are also here too.
Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure having you. Thank you.
So the work we are doing, the project actually has been awarded since 2014, even probably before 2014, because we were on site here 2014. But all of a sudden at around 2015, before general election, then we went on suspension because of sun. So since then, about 10 years now, we have not received any pressure. Not until now that we are receiving this kind of pressure, and it is due to the influence of the KBAC. And what we actually find out, we have just been coming because we saw, in fact, one of the letters he wrote that went around to several ministries with stamp and endorsement, and then at last dropped to our platform. So we came, and then at last we find out that what he had actually fought for, it is when you know that somebody is really behind something. If not, this is a palliative intervention fund that is actually allocated to a particular community, that he made sure it is brought to where he wanted. So the quantity that is actually allocated to us is 1 kilometer. So maybe while we are doing this one kilometer, probably he can put more effort, put more pressure, and then maybe something can actually work out again. And the bill we are using here is the original bill that was given to us to work at Kaba to Elulu Road, which the bill is actually to rehabilitate the road. Where the road has actually failed completely, we will do earthworks, do storm base, and lay 6 cm binder course and 4 cm weary course. So that is the same bill that we are following. So this is exactly the scope of the job that we are doing, and it's a permanent job.
Okay.
Mopa níbi ìmọ̀ pàpọ̀. Mopa for peace, Mopa for peace. Mopa níbi ìmọ̀ pàpọ̀. Mopa for peace, Mopa for peace. Àkókò ọ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ̀ ìgbókùn náà. Òde pẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Mopa Elulu. Mopa for peace, Mopa for peace. Mopa Odole. Mopa for peace, Mopa for peace. Mopa Ileteju. Mopa for peace, Mopa for peace. Mopa Mopa for